Today in chapter 10 we will discuss about the problems of human settlement. In most of the developing countries which are experiencing rapid growth of urbanization, which result faced with the shortage of job, unemployment which is rising with very fast rate, and this result in causing the people to apply for government funding programs and benefits. Business and government cannot produce enough job to meet the demand of fast growing population in developing countries. And in most of the developing countries there is which are facing, there is uncontrolled growth of some certain things like slums, crime, congestion, poverty, population and pollution. These all things are growing uncontrolled in developing countries. In developing countries, cities are unplanned, which create congestion and shortage of housing, which result vertical expansion and growth of slums. And the reason behind that, the high population density, which is caused due to the high rate of migration from rural to urban areas. And the rapid population growth has led to an acute shortage of dwelling units, which resulted to overcrowding, traffic congestion, pollution, housing shortage, high rent, poor urban living conditions, low infrastructure services, poverty, unemployment, poor sanitation have become pervasive and indeed high crime rate. All of these have an impact on the high population density in developing countries. In metro cities, major proportion of population, around one fourth population, live in slums, and there is rapid rise in population creating illegal settlements in developing countries. So these are the problem related to this overall settlement, either this is rural or urban. Now we will discuss about the problem of settlement in urban areas. In urban areas, some certain problem which are rampant in developing country, like economic problem. In the economic problem, there is one major problem, that is shortage of employment. Even there is a decrease in employment opportunities. For what people from rural to urban areas are going, that employment is not able in the cities. Inadequate infrastructure is one of the major problem. Socio-economic problem related to the cities of developing countries suffer from several social ills. There is insufficient financial resources which is not able to create adequate social infrastructure, and availability of education and health institutes are there. There is lack of education and health facilities. Increase in crime rate also a very big problem in most of the developing countries like India, China, Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh. And this also influence the demographic structure of the country, so that is population composition as well. There is a male selective migration which influences the sex ratio in the country population. So these are the some basic problem, and the basic problem, basically these are the basic facilities for what a person from rural to urban area goes. But when he reach to the city, he migrate to a city, these things are missing. Then there are some environmental problem which are faced by developing countries, like uh, in the countries there is a large urban population which not only uses the large amount of resources, but as well as disposes. The problem of waste disposal, like huge quantity of water and all type of other resource material, and which is in some of the countries, some of the cities is in very large amount. There is a problem of adequate water supply. Even in some of the countries, it's difficult for them to provide minimum requirement of water. There is improper sewage system. In most of the countries, there is a massive use of fuel for domestic, traffic and industrial purpose. These three reasons, domestic, at home, traffic and industrial, because the cities are growing, these are developing. So there is a need to use resources and fuel in these sectors, and result the pollution of air. Sewage and industrial waste dumped to a specific area without treatment. There is a problem of landfill site in the cities. In Delhi, there is a big problem because large amount of solid waste is generated every day, every year, and there is a problem to dump that waste at a specific site. And the specific site where this solid waste is dumped, that is called landfill site, and there is a problem to create more and new landfill site, because once a site which is specified, which is certain for the dump, but after few days, few months and year, that site is filled, then again we have to sort out that problem, again a new problem, new place has to be searched. Thank you.